Okay, narinig.
Pangit ito. Action.
Paano ganyan?
Payang.
Ito kaya? This is gold blocks. Can I make a thick old wall? This is not even a wall, guys. Lại lì xì lâu à ching chang chong ele ping pang pong ling bang pang a chong pong pang ling. Bro, that sounds like a nuclear bomb. What has bro done to the toilet? Hee hee. McNuggets?
Chicken nugget?
No. McNuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Bro, delete your blocks. Oh, ang pangit mo, boyong.
Get out.
Joke.
Get out.
Joke.
Get off my boat. Get
That's
off my boat.
okay.
No, you do not joke around in here. In this place, we do not joke around. We're getting some cold, fresh cannons. Some fresh cannons.
What is that? Oh, fresh cannon. I have.
Delay in that flow because you are too fast. Place in a new flow. Bro, you destroyed the flow. Or did Queso move it so much it died?
And okay. Why my hair is blue?
Bro, I hate this boat.
You hate this bird?
Yes,
Why?
because it's blue.
I
Yes,
don't
okay.
hate blue.
Is it because of black colors?
Look
Every
at
time you place black colors and you have a white shirt and you accidentally spill something and you have a black shirt, it will become blue.
Babe, orange dito si orange. Si orange na guys.
Oh yeah.
One thing mo to. I think I found it secret.
That is not a secret, that is a McNugget. What the hell is happening? Can you help me? What is this problem?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
I can't
Anong
move
problem?
this thing.
Ayan ba? Ayan o, meron ng lagayan. Meron ng
Block limit? There is a limit?
Hindi, oo ano. Nakita ko din. Meron akong lagayan ng chinelas dito. O kaya ng tao.
Block limit? Okay, I'm just gonna make our boat smaller. Okay, our engine just froze. Don't use too much blocks.
Okay.
Okay? Put your engine.
Engine.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we got some of this cannons.
My engine is in here. Okay. I have 2 engines.
How do you have that? How do you have that?
There is 2 engines.
How do you have 2 engines? Through engines. Through engines.
And you take
Ken,
one.
what is that engines, bro? What are those engines?
Ito na, lalagay mo na.
Go.
Go.
Okay, Ken?
Maglagay ba ako nito? Ito.
Wait, no. Ken, I could only control my engines. Okay, place your engines. Place your engines.
I place my engine.
Oh wait, place your chairs. Place your chairs.
Okay.
Here.
I will place my chair. Okay.
Okay, I will put some backup chairs.
Where's my
I will put some backup chairs. Boom, thrones. No, the chair for your stuff, because I can't move them, bro. I can't move your thing. Okay, we got some backup chairs. Ken, look, I could only move mine. Ken, look, I could only move mine. Move your, place your own chair. Place your own chair.
Let me place my own chair.
You got two chairs. I got two chairs. Okay.
Oh, yung chair ko, nabaliktad.
Okay, wait. Your chair is dead. Place that back. Restart that thing.
Oh, yung kumano to.
Can I got three chairs? I meant 3 seats. 3 seats for the driver. Okay, Ken? For the thing, when you get the drop. Okay. This is going to be very smart.
Yung kanon natin, yung kanon.
Ken, come on. I'm launching.
O sige, lunch.
Ken, your chair.
O sige.
Fix your chair. It's literally moving.
Game.
Ken, fix your chair.
Okay.
You're gonna fall off. Ken, wait. Just spawn it in front of my place. Because my blocks that I place will shrink.
Ito na.
Will get smaller. Okay. That's good enough. Wait, no, that's good. Not good, bro. It's not sticking to it. Just place it on here. Right here. Okay. Right here in front of me. Okay. So you will die first. I'm just kidding, bro. You put your chairs on the front too, because the blocks will shrink down. Okay. 3. You can't. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh!
Uy, yung kanyon ko.
Bro, we're going so quick. What are we Ken! You're not driving the boat! Ken! Oh, backflip. Oh, spinning round and round. Ken, stop your cannon! Get him up, puke on! Alright,
Here you go.
Alrighty, Ken, I'm literally the only one driving.
Here you go. I stop.
Ken, stop!
Okay, I'm not driving.
Why are we on the land? Parachutes on. Bomb cannons on.
Man, tingnan mo to, man. Tingnan mo to. Wait.
Ken, come on, help me.
Ano?
Help me drive the thing. I'm literally the only one driving.
Okay.
Come on, fight back! Ken! I'm the one that's gonna turn. You go straight.
Okay.
You go straight for us. That is not straight. We are flipped over. Somehow. We're still gonna be driving. Ken, I'm turning our boat. Okay.
Straight ako.
Ken, that's not straight. That's to a wall. That's to a wall. Okay, nice. Good stuff.
Boy, controlin mo.
Bro, you're the one who's controlling the engine. Bro, what are you doing?
Sabi mo, straight lang ako eh.
Straight. Go backwards when you...
Oh.
You're so dumb. Okay. We could get flip. No! Okay, now we are just climbing everywhere and now we're hitting all the blocks. Because of something.
Ooh,
It's you.
it's not me.
I'm
My
shooting.
name is Stu.
Dollars.
My name
$2.
My name
Ken!
is Pablo.
I flipped her boat. You're too long, bro. You're taking too... Bro, stop driving the
I'm
boat!
not driving the boat.
Bro, I literally saw the engines move. And I just lost my engine, so I can't even move. Can jump out of your chair. Yes, sir! What is this? Okay, I can do this. Okay. Bro, why am I stuck now? Bro, why am I stuck to my own character? Hey, what? I need to stop. I ate it. Okay. Bro, you need some glue. Bangkay. Bangkay. I'm just literally standing. I'm still dying. Yeah.
I'm still standing. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna make it to the end.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna make it to the end. I'm gonna make it to the end.
Moonwalk.
I'm gonna make it to the end.
Moonwalking.
Ow. Bro, you just sound like you're laughing. Okay, again.
O sige, may kotse ako man. I-span ko. Maganda to.
Yes, sir. You knew what I was thinking of? Okay. I'll add some cannons. Okay, Ken?
Okay.
What are you doing? Get your blocks. Get these blocks. Oh, okay. Get the... Bro, we do not need an engine. We're gonna speed through it.
One. Alam mo na. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, you don't got anything on you. Okay, I'm gonna make it for us. I'm gonna make it. The plan did not work. Bro, we need balloons.
Balloons. May balloons ako. Nasa pot ko. Nagkakape. Joke lang. Nasa pot ko. Nagkakape.
Okay, Ken. Oh, you can teleport. Oh, you're dead. You can teleport. But I could teleport, Okay. Bro, no. Oh, wait. Now, I'm just
Ang ganda
gonna...
na. Ang ganda na.
Boom.
Spell.
Tap. Krabap. Brabap boom chill.
Okay na?
No, bro, we gotta make a chair. We gotta make a chair. Place your chair. Place your chair. I'm gonna place some balloons down. Bro, that's not the chair. Bro, you're gonna control. We're gonna fight for each other. Okay, that's good. Launch.
Oh!
Come on! Come
Naman, ikaw naman,
on!
ikaw naman.
I'm driving the boat!
Luwi pa lang.
I'm gonna make it!
Isa pa,
I'm
isa pa.
gonna
No?
make it.
Isa pa, isa pa.
I'm gonna make it!
Ang bilis, no? Isa
I
pa,
just
isa
lost
pa.
my hand.
Isa pa.
I just lost my body.
Body?
Somebody out there. Somebody out there.
Okay, isa
That
pa,
can
isa
hear
pa,
my
isa pa.
tune. That can hear my tune.
Here
Okay,
you go.
Ken, new plan, new plan.
Ano?
Wait, wait, wait. You guys know what my plan is?
What?
Subscribe because. And guys, do no cheating, no cheating. My plan is this. Okay, Ken, you are gonna get stick into the boat. Ken. Ken.
Ano?
Okay, now you're
I'm
stuck in.
dancing.
Okay.
Okay.
You are just defying gravity. Ken, no. No, bro, fix your stair. Fix your stuff, okay?
Okay.
Place your chair.
Okay.
Ken, come on. Wait.
Let me handle it.
Okay? Now launch.
Lunch? Okay, mga bata, lunch na.
Do not activate it yet. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na. Okay na. Ay, yes. Gumagana naman talaga.
Okay, we are moving.
We are moving.
Ken, stop! Deactivate the cannons! Bro, I'm trying to... Deactivate it. Okay.
Activate.
Okay, activate all the cannons! Catching! Bro! Okay, I'm coming back. Okay,
Lakad na lang tayo.
I'm walking and you're not. So, toot.
And you're dead.
Okay, what if we just put honey?
What?
Honey.
What is that, honey? I die.
I meant glue.
Oh, glue.
Okay, that's smart. That is smart. Wait, I'm gonna battle everybody.
Everybody knows.
Battling everybody! I am going to fight you! I'm getting out of here. Ah! Oh, knocked out. Simon got knocked out. You're so fast. Fast is good. I'm dead. Can you do your stuff? I do my stuff.
Okay.
Okay, plan is going to work. Okay, now launch. I just saw your can fly up the whole world. I saw the whole thing, bro.
Ayoko na.
What two?
Dito naman.
I saw thunder
Oh my God.
and lightning. can't cry because I can't see. Bro, Ken knocked me out and I'm dead. The end.
Galing ko ano.
Okay, let's do that strategy. Let's do that strategy. What is that? What is that? Okay, wait. Okay.
God.
Done. Ooh, turn! You take all the damage! Okay, we're still making it. I'm dead.
Munti na.
Can I got the most genius plan in the whole world?
Ano?
It's 1+1. Okay, Ken, this is my plan. I just spawned in my bot. Make sure to not go in the front seat
Okay.
and press the button.
Okay.
And okay, I think we are ready. Launch.
Hey!
I'm coming back for you.
I'm here.
You are
Hey!
here. We got no chairs, so better be protected. Bro, we only got front wheels. Bro! Turn that off.
Uy, ikaw yan. Ikaw yun eh.
Taratatat. Die.
Slice and dice.
I'm still gonna make it. Ah! I'm dying. I'm making it. Let's go. Can I make it, honey? I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Look. I just lost my legs. Can you know you're not doing that one now? Delete all your blocks.
Okay.
Can wait. New plan. Wait, new plan. Wait. Do not delete. Okay, I'm on. Now launch. I'm still standing. Yeah.
I'm still
Dead.
I'm dead too. If you die, and I die.
Nobody's at white team.
14.
Come on, join. Oh, can.
What?
We're gonna do that challenge again. I am gonna do that challenge. I'm just kidding. Okay. Wait, I forgot. Wrong boat. Can you radang? Guys.
Dumb person without the world.
Can you don't want to go in the boat?
Anong boat ba yan?
It is one of the fastest boat in the world. Get out of my
Why?
Get out of my seat.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna be on the boat. Come on.
What?
Come on, we're both gonna be on the boat. Whee! I'm gonna make you go to the end. You're drowning. I'm swinging you around. I'm swinging you around. No, I lost everything. Where even am I?
What?
Bro, no.
Ilan?
48. I'm still in heaven.
Okay, Ano?
I did not make it. I did not make it. New plan, new plan.
May award pa ako. Nakuha akong award.
Mapupunit short. Punit short. Punit short.
Bakit may nabili ako? May nabili ako. Ano ba?
Wrong boat. Okay, there.
32.
No. Get okay. Get on the whip. I'm gonna stick you back in the boat.
O, sige. Gagawin ko
No.
natin.
No. No. Don't do that. Just be close to the boat.
I'm close to the boat.
Wait, I gotta delete it and spawn it back on. Now just. Huh?
Jesus. Banday.
Just be close to the boat.
Okay now? One. Pag one, masakit.
That's going to hurt a lot. We are going. Okay, I am going. You are getting I'm built different. I am a meal.
Ikaw lang yung nakapunta.
Bro, just place your chair.
Okay.
Sampani. I just wanna be part of your Sampani.
Oh!
I already have a backup. I just wanna be part of your Sampani. Ken, this is bad. This is bad. This is very bad. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. 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 Okay, parkour, good old parkour skill. Supersonic on spinning. This is not good speed. I am Steve.
Sagot din eh. Kala mo, nakita ko yun.
You smelled it.
Nakita ko yun. Kala mo, hindi ko nakita.
Place your chair down.
Yan, pagsabay mo na lang. Hindi.
Okay, now we are just gonna be swinging around. 3, 2. Wait.
Wait.
Go!
Loko.
Go! Help me! Help me! I need some help. I need some help and some more help.
Sabay.
I think I'm dying. Oh, bro, because Ken, come on. Placing down your chair. Okay again. Now, come on.
Okay.
Get on.
Batayin mo na lang ako ng tao.
No.
Sige, wait lang.
We have 3, 2, 1, taking off.
Ano ko nabasa?
Oh, this is looking good. Oh, this is looking good. Never mind. This is looking bad. This is looking bad. Never mind. This is looking good. Never mind. This is looking bad. Good.
Kailangan di ka magpapakapit.
It broke my chair, but I'm still alive. Okay, no, don't jump. Don't jump. You need to make it up there. Okay, Ken, I'm gonna make it. Okay, Ken, I'm gonna make it. It's a glitch. It's a glitch. I'm dying. I lost my leg.
Tatalo na ako.
Ken, I lost my leg.
Tatalo. Sabi ko sa'yo, tatalo daw eh.
Saglit lang po titigil.
Okay, Ken. Place down your chair, okay?
Ng konting kape, tapos konting gatas. Para mabago ng konti.
Okay, here is where my chair is going to. Delete that front chair. Ken, delete those chairs. Delete that chair on my head. Okay. Delete one more.
Wait!
I only got one balloon.
Ano tayo?
Don't stare.
Pennywise. Namatay.
Gravity.
Pennywise namatay.
Gravity.
Pennywise namatay. Pennywise namatay.
Then are you Pennywise? But you don't know pennies. Oh.
Oo, yung pinuntahan natin, dinadaan doon. Yung kasama ko.
Ken, come on.
Wait. Hindi lang.
Then no.
Okay.
Ano yung konti?
Wait.
Don't even think of it. Bro, come on. 3, 2, 1, launch. Okay, do not do it yet.
Hindi ko pa ginagawa.
Okay na. Why did you turn it off?
Patay na tayo sa gravity. Come on. Walang score yun. Mag-glitch lang eh. Diba? Ba. Hey, dito lagi.
Sige na, magtitigil muna kami mga salad ideas para mag-healthy living tayo. Pagdating sa 2025. Ay, 2025. Hindi naman tayo, try, mga tries a week, gano'n, twice, gano'n.
Two steps ahead. 2 steps ahead. I could not make it. Oh, come on. I could do this. I made it to the end. I made it. Yeah, I made it. Yeah. I turned one on.
O, tingnan mo. Andito pa rin ako. Paunahan kami. Ng konti ko. Paunahan kami ng mamatay.
I am alive. Turn on.
Come on.
I made it to the end. That's how we got it. Can I made it for us? Ken, I made it for us, but I lost a leg. Ken, I made it to the end, but I lost a leg. Ano gagawin ko dito? Grind for this one. For this.
Oh.
For what? For this bag? Okay.
Isa
This
pa, isa
steering
pa,
tool,
isa
this
pa.
steering tool.
Isa pa, isa pa.
No, you can't do that. No, you can't do that.
Sayang, sayang.
More than once. More than once.
Sayang. No.
Dargen. Ken, clear your blocks. Clear your blocks.
Dragon.
We're gonna fight a Dargen. We're gonna fight a Dargen. And we get 25 cannons! And we just worth it.
Ikaw nga yun eh.
We just worth it. We just worth it. Okay, Ken?
Ano?
Plan here. Make a thing that looks like a plate.
Okay.
Bro, what are you doing? That is barrels. What are you doing?
Robot ako.
Ken, go on, Ken, go on.
Robot ako. Bat ako.
Ken. Get on your seat. Get on your seat. Ken,
Robot ako.
get your cannons. Get your cannons. I put it the cannons.
Robot ako. Saan ako magkisag? Doon na lang sa taas.
No, dyan na. Doon ka lang. Sa unan nila. Okay, Ken.
Saan tayo?
Muna ulit tayo. Okay. Okay.
Same time ah.
No, that was not the same time. No. Okay, Ken. Launch.
Wait lang, yung balloons.
Bro, we do not need no balloons. Hiya! Snowball! Ah! Oh, where are they going to? What just happened? I'm invisible.
Ay, may dragon sa likod natin. Ay,
Oh, he burned down the whole thing. Okay, I guess we gotta build it manually.
sige, papatay natin ha. Paano gawin? Ano gagawin natin? Uutotan natin yung dragon?
No, that is not going to work.
Kung maiutot ka, di ba? Ang baho ng utot mo, di ba?
It's like a
Okay,
nuclear
nang tayo.
bomb.
O kaya, ihi. Ihian mo na lang, di ba?
Pio naman.
I'm so smarty. Smarty. What about Smarty? What about Speedy?
What about Rizzy? What about Breeze? What about Breeze? What about Breeze and you together? Nothing like a rocket for together. What about Breeze? Huh? What is this?
Me and you together.
You can get your phone back, okay?
Thank you.
What could I do? What could I do?
What the
Mysterious ba? We need to get this thing to the end.
to the end? Save natin yan.
Bro, it made me become a zombie.
Pal.
No, that won't work. It's going to die.
What the hell?
Okay, yan. This is my chance, okay? I'm gonna make it to the end by myself. No, don't place your chair. It's gonna glitch it.
Okay.
It's gonna glitch it, bro. Glitch it. No, we lost the balloon.
R.I.P. pa.
Oh, no. A bomb.
Ano? There you go, the balloon.
No, not that balloon. I want the huge balloon
Okay.
with a huge gas.
Okay. Infinite yata ito. Naglalag ako mo. Lag ba to o hindi? Hindi. Lalag lang ako.
Oh yes sir, oh yes sir.
Maglalag pa ako. Nagtitip ba ako sa ano?
Let's go! We're gonna make it to the end! I'm falling again! I am dead. The end.
I'm dead too.
1 block on the ground, 2 feet on the ground, touch grass in the ground, in the floor, in the ground, in the floor, in the ground, in the floor, at the ground, in the floor, in the ground, in the floor, in the ground, in the floor, in the ground, it's a floor, it's a floor,
Pagbalik kaya ako, Pepsi.
ground, it's a floor.
I'm so laggy.
And you're not Reezy. And I'm gonna do the box.
What box?
The box challenge is going to be good. Okay. This thing's going to get stick on there. Ken, I got a few stuff for this young man. Ken, I got a few stuff for this young guy.
Ahead.
But you can't step on the floor.
Ano ba ang lag ko?
Why am I lagging?
No, I'm lagging.
Me too. Me
Nalilig
too.
mo na ako.
I shall
Tapos mag-join
meow. I
Tapos
shall
mag-join
meow.
ako.
I'm ending the video right here, guys. Not one. Bye bye.